Today we're going to present the topic of solutions of right triangles. Our names are Julio Candanosa
and Vianney Garza.
Solutions of right triangles include three things: sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine is represented by opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is represented by adjacent by hypotenuse, and tangent is represented by opposite divided by adjacent.
There are several ratios that you have to understand and know. The first one is sine, it is y over r, cosine is x over r, and tangent is y over x. But all of these ratios have coterminal, so you have to learn them also, which is cosecant, which is r over y, secant, which is r over x, and cotangent, which is x over y. To explain this, to know these letters, you have to use the Pythagorean theorem to get the missing side, and we're going to explain it with an example. So in this example, you don't have the hypotenuse, so you have to calculate it with this formula. So a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, and you have to elevate the numbers to the second power. This will give you 25, and then you have to get the square root of this number, which will be 5, and 5 will be your missing side. After you have all of your three sides, you have to use the trigonometric ratios to get sine, cosine, or tangent. So first we're going to explain sine. Sine means opposite over hypotenuse. So in this example, you're going to use the opposite, which will be the 3, and the hypotenuse, which is 5. So 3 over 5 will be your sine. The next one is cosine, and cosine means adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, you will use the adjacent side of here, so it's 4, and the hypotenuse, which is 5. So 4/5 will be your cosine. And the last one is tangent. Tangent means opposite over adjacent, and the opposite here will be 3, and the adjacent is 4. So 3/4 will be your tangent.
And as we said, each angle has its coterminal angle. In an example of sine, it will be the cosecant. So the cosecant will be hypotenuse over opposite. So in this case, it will be 5/3 will be your cosecant. Your sec angle would be hypotenuse over adjacent. In this case, it will be 5/4. And our cotangent would be adjacent over opposite. So in this case, it will be 4/3.
And as you can see, if you switch up the numbers, you will get the coterminals. When they give you a trigonometric function, but you want to have the answer in degrees, you have to do the following in your calculator. First, you have to put shift and your trigonometric function. In this case, it's sine. So it will give you sine to the -1. And in the parentheses, you're going to write down the problem. In this case, 1/2. And you have to close parentheses. And the answer will be 30 degrees. In this case, you have to do the same. You have to put shift tangent, so it gives you tangent to the -1. And in the parentheses, you're going to write the square root of 3. And the answer will be
60
degrees.
Thank you so much for your attention. We hope that you have learned to solve right triangles. This has been a pleasure.
Laurita, we love you.